Digital marketing can be broken down into 7 main categories including search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, marketing analytics. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as every week we bring you new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. Digital marketing has become a vital part of the overall marketing strategy of any business. It allows you to tailor your message and to reach a specific audience, making it possible to market directly to people who are likely to be interested in their product and services. So let's take a look at what makes great social media marketing. Search engine optimization or SEO. The goal of SEO is to get a business to rank higher in Google search results, ultimately increasing search engine traffic to the business's website. To accomplish this, SEO marketers research words and phrases consumers are using to search for information online, and use those terms in their own content. One of the things that makes SEO challenging depends on Google and its most current algorithm. Keeping that in mind, here are a few of the most important things for SEO strategists and marketers in general to understand about how SEO works today. Content indexing. It is important to allow search engines to clearly read what your site content is, by doing things like adding alt text for images and text transcripts for video and audio content. Good link structure. It is important that search engines can crawl your site structure to easily find all the content on your site. Properly format links, URLs, and sitemaps to make them most accessible to site crawlers. Keywords and keyword targeting. Properly deploying your keywords, the search terms you want your site to be found for, in your content and headers is one of the fundamental building blocks of SEO. It is no longer good practice to stuff your content with as many keywords as possible. Writing high-quality content that uses keywords in the headers and a few times in the crawlable page content is now considered better practice, and will make pages rank better in search results. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertisements and promoted search engine results. This is a short-term form of digital marketing, meaning that once you are no longer paying, the ad no longer exists. Like SEO, PPC is a way to increase search traffic to a business online. Pay-per-click can refer to the advertisements you see at the top and sides of a page of search results, the ads you see while browsing the web, ads before YouTube videos and in ads in mobile apps. One of the other things that is different between pay-per-click and SEO is that you only pay for the results. In a Google AdWords campaign, you will pay only when someone clicks on your ad and lands on your website. You can spend just about any amount of money on pay-per-click advertising. How much it costs to run an ad or promote your search results will depend on how much competition there is for your keywords. High competition will be more expensive and lower competition terms will cost less. When you set up a pay-per-click campaign, you will also be able to choose whether you want your ad or promoted results to be shown to users all over the world, or only within a specific geographic area. Do you have a product that will sell worldwide or is more for local people like a service you personally offer? Social media marketing. This includes everything a business does via social media channels. Social media marketing goes far beyond simply creating posts for social channels and responding to comments. To be effective, efforts must be coordinated and consistent rather than an afterthought. To help keep posts consistent, there are many online tools available to automate and schedule social media posts. Social media marketers should not be separate from other marketing functions. It needs to work with your company's wider marketing and coordinate the message across all platforms, online and off, so that every part of your brand is telling the same story. A crucial part of social media marketing is analytics, analyzing the performance of your posts, and creating strategies based on that data. Content marketing. Content marketing uses storytelling and information sharing to increase brand awareness. The goal is to have the reader take an action and become a customer, such as requesting more information, signing up for an email list, or making a purchase. This content could be blog posts, reposting white papers, e-books, video, podcasts, and much more. It should provide value to the consumer, not just advertise your brand or try to make a sale. Content marketing is about building a relationship with your customers that can potentially lead to many sales over time, not just making a single transaction. Content marketing works in unison with other types of digital marketing. It is a way to incorporate SEO search terms into fresh website content, and the content created can be shared as social media posts and in email marketing publications. Looking at the analytics for your content marketing can tell you a lot about your customers. What are they looking for when they land on your site? What kinds of content made them stay on the site longer? What content made them lose interest and move away? Unlike PPC, content marketing is a long-term strategy. Over time, you will build up a library of content that will continue to bring users to the site via search engines. This content library also helps promote knowledge of your brand and increases your profile as a resource for information. Email marketing. Email is still one of the most effective marketing techniques. It can be part of a content marketing strategy, providing value to consumers and over time convert them into customers. Email marketing software can offer many different analytical measures, but the most important are the open rate, the percentage of recipients who opened the email, and the click-through rate, the number of recipients who opened the email and clicked on a link in the email. There are many things you can do to make your emails more appealing to users and more likely to be opened. These include: create a sense of urgency. Writing an email copy that lets your recipients know that time is running out to get a special deal or that there are only a limited number of the offer available, can increase the number of people clicking through to your website. Personalize your email. Setting your emails and subject lines up to incorporate the recipient's name is a proven way to increase open and click-through rates. Let recipients set their preferences. Allowing users to specify how often they want to hear from you can help keep some of your email subscribers subscribed to your list and clicking on your emails. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is focused on reaching your target audience on their smartphone or tablet. Mobile marketing reaches people through text messages, social media, websites, email and mobile applications. Consumers in the United States now spend 5 hours a day on their phones. This represents a 20% increase over the last 5 years. Users are also spending more of their time in apps rather than on mobile browsers. 19% of it is spent on Facebook's mobile app, 12% on other social and messaging apps, and 11% in gaming apps. You need to take your message to where your customers are, and it is very clear, your potential customers are on their phones. Marketing analytics. One of the major advantages of digital marketing is that it is highly trackable and measurable. Analytics allow you to track user behavior in a very detailed way, such as how many times they click on a link, how much time they spend on a web page, how often they open emails, and much more. You must be able to truly understand what the data means and how you should use it. There are many tools available for measuring the success of digital marketing campaigns. One of the most used tools for marketing analytics is Google Analytics, which can be customized in nearly endless ways to measure how your site is performing, which keywords are bringing users to your site, how users are navigating through your website, and much more. The need to be where the customers are at all times means that you have to be attuned to changes in technology, social media and software. Technology changes quickly. The social media app of today may be all but abandoned by next year, but many of the foundational principles of marketing remain the same. Since digital marketing is a rapidly changing space and it is imperative for you to stay up to date on new and emerging strategies. Staying ahead of the competition has never been more important. Business is changing so rapidly. that it has become a key strategy to include looking at the competition to help inform your own digital strategy. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below and to subscribe, as every week we bring you new videos to help you grow your business and give you the life you want.